The Outlook Web App 2019 and Office 365 has a new feature called Sweep. And what Sweep does is it gives you a lot of different options. So if we select a message, let's see what those options are. So we click on Sweep and we see 4 different options. We can say, for email from this particular user, would we like to delete all messages from the inbox, or would we like to archive them? We could also choose the next option. Again, delete or archive all messages from the inbox folder and any future messages. So if Tom emails me again, it's going to go right into the deleted items now and in the future. We can choose the next one that says always keep the latest messages and either delete or archive the rest. And the last option is to always delete or archive messages older than 10 days. So we can do that from any user, and by selecting for email from Tom to our email box, we can choose any one of these to delete or archive. If we click on View Rules, it takes us to a whole new place, and it allows us to do a lot more traditional types of rules with a lot more different options. And we'll cover all that in a different video, but this gives you the idea of what the Sweep feature does, which gives us the 4 different options and the archive or delete option to anything from a specific user.